Hello, this is teacher Meysam. How are you doing? I hope you are doing well. Today I am going to talk about TH sound in English. TH sound is one of the most problematic sounds in English. Normally we have two types of TH sounds in English. One is voiced, the other one is unvoiced. What do we mean by voiced or unvoiced? We have vocal cords here, okay? If you touch your fingers over here and say, for example, you feel vibration. Or if you say like you cannot feel the vibration. If you feel the vibration, it is voiced. If you do not feel the vibration on your throat or vocal cords, whatever, it is called as unvoiced. First, try to say s, okay? S. Now, while you're saying s, try to stick out your tongue or put your tongue out like this. Okay? So this is basically, let's say, is sort of muffled s. You have to feel the friction, okay? That the friction is happening between your teeth on your tongue. So one more time, try to say s, and now stick your tongue out like s. If you say t, like thank you, it is wrong. If you say thank you, it is also wrong. You have to stick your tongue out of your mouth. I have to see your tongue coming out of your mouth, okay, like this. This. So one more time. Yeah. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Think. You see? Think. Thin. Thing. Thanks. 30. Thursday. 3. 3. It is never 3. 1, 2, 3. It is not t. It is th. 3. Thumb. Third. 13. Now let's talk about the TH sound in the middle of the words. Bathtub, toothpick, birthday, birthday. It is not birthday. It is not birthday. It is birthday. Healthy, healthy. It is never healthy or healthy. It is healthy. Something, something. It is never something or something. Anything. Now, let's talk about TH sound at the end of the words. Math, tooth, teeth, 10th, 9th, 5th, breath, earth, mouth, south, north. Now, let's talk about voiced TH. Very simple. Very simple. First, say z, z, okay? While you are saying z, try to stick your tongue out of your mouth or put your tongue out of your mouth. We have to see your tongue coming out, okay? For example, say z, z, v. If you put your fingers again here, you have to feel the vibration like v. Now, let's talk about voiced TH sound at the beginning of the word. That, this, them, the, there, those, they, these, Now, let's talk about voiced TH sound in the middle of the word. Feather, weather, weather. You remember that W? Weather. Father, father. It is not father, father, mother, brother. It is father, the. Father, brother, mother, clothing, either, 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 other, other, another, another. Now, let's talk about voiced TH sound at the end of the word. Breathe, bathe, smooth. So, thank you very much for following me. Thank you very much for watching me. I hope it was useful. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to support me, because I need your support. So long. Take care.